अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल हार्वेस्टिंग टेक्नोलॉजी। तो दोस्तों, आज की हम इस वीडियो लेक्चर में देखेंगे रीजंस ऑफ पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट लॉसेस। द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट लॉसेस। टाइम एंड मनी आर रिक्वायर्ड टू कल्टिवेट फूड प्रोडक्ट्स एंड अनलेस द फार्मर इज प्रोवाइडिंग फूड ओनली फॉर हिज ओन हाउस होल्ड, he automatically becomes part of the market economy. He must sell his produce, he must recover his costs, and he must make a profit. Estimates of the post harvest losses of food grains in the developing world from mishandling, spoilage, and pest infestation and put at 25%. This means that one quarter of what is produced never reaches the consumer for whom it was grown, and the effort and money required to produce it are lost forever. Fruit, vegetables, and root crops are much less hardy and are most quickly perishable, and if care is not taken in their harvesting, handling, and transport, they will soon decay and become unfit for human consumption. Estimates of production losses in developing countries are hard to judge, but some authorities put losses of sweet potatoes, plantain, tomatoes, bananas, and citrus fruits sometimes as high as 100% or half of what is grown. Reduction in this wastage, particularly if it can economically be avoided, would be of great significance to growers and consumers alike. Next strategy: causes of losses vary widely. Factors affecting most harvest foods losses of perishables vary widely from place to place and become more and more complex as systems of marketing become more complex. A farmer who is growing fruit for his family's consumption probably doesn't mind if his produce has a few blemishes and bruises. If he is producing for a market at any distance from his own locality, however, he and his workers, if he has any, must have a different attitude if he hopes to get the best money return on his work. Next strategy: by knowing his market, the grower can and just judge how important are the requirements of appearance, maturity, and flavor for his produce. Furthermore, the grower must decide whether the investment is packaging will in fact pay for itself in increased value of the crop. It will be of no value to buy expensive containers for his produce if the field hands pitch them around and damage the contents. It is more important for the grower to change the attitude of himself and his workers towards reducing post harvest losses than it is for him to think that buying fancy packing will automatically solve his problems and improve his income. The farmer must give careful attention to, ये देखते हैं जी, must demand for the products he will grow. He must know the market and his buyers. Cultivation, harvesting, and field handling, packing or packaging, transport, market handling, possibly storage or refrigeration, sales to consumers, wholesalers or agents, perishability of the produce. The following sections will discuss these among the other factors. The grower must recognize that small changes in attitudes towards the prevention of post-harvest food losses may profit him more than changes in the techniques of the marketing chain, whether containers or transport improvements, and may cost him less in the long run. He must instruct his family, field workers, and others in the methods of reducing his losses. Next है जी, perishability and produce losses. What are the principal causes of losses? All fruit, vegetable, and raw crops are living plant containing 65 to 95% water, and they continue their living process after harvest. Their past harvest life depends on the rate at which they use up their stored food reserves and the rate of water loss. When food and water reserves are exhausted, the produce dies and decays. Anything that increases the rate of this process may make the produce inedible before it can be used. The principal causes of laws are discussed below, but in the marketing of fresh produce, they all interact, and the effect of all are influenced by external conditions such as temperature and relativity humidity. साइकोलॉजिकल डेटोरेशन जो इंशाल्लाह अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे। अब तक की वीडियो देखने के लिए शुक्रिया। चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।